Hi, this is Brian with RMCP. If you're interested in having a part vapor blasted prior to having it shipped to you, that's no problem to do that. We can structure the payment for the service into an invoice for the part that you're purchasing from us. So just a bit of info on the process. It does not change the internal tolerances, and it is safe for use on plastics and rubber, so anything that's integrated will be fine. Once we're done, the part will be treated with a dry film lubricant and then wrapped in shrink wrap prior to shipping it. The rest of the process, the rest of what's going on is just going to be a normal eBay transaction. Thanks for watching the video. What you're seeing here is a customer project which was shipped to us. We worked on it and then shipped it back to the customer. Anyway, thanks for watching.